Yep. Easy, easy. Easy, tourist. Okay. Very good.
Pauline, and I'm on Leachy Rafting River. This is my little stall where I do like charity to help unfortunate people and disabled and other people who are in need. So I'm up here just to do good. So I love you. God bless you.
They have a number of persons can call you, and if they want to find you, they want to come.
I'll give you my number.
Just go, say, put it.
849-3301.
Right.
I don't beg. I just do something to
Right.
help others. So please.
Alright.
Alright.
So that's Paulet. Alright. So when you guys come to Jamaica, Leachy Rafting, you just come up here, you ask for her. There are other persons here. Everything is here. Food. We're just coming off the river a while ago. It's awesome, guys. Just make your way up to Leachy. You won't lose out. So I'll show you a lot of what is happening. Rasta man right here, same here. Him have all him Rasta can get this stamp to buy. How much water like that? Try hat like this. How much hat like this?
$20.
Only $20. Only $20, people. You understand? Come and support the hear me I tell you now. You see craft, local crafting is a thing that's dying out in our country. People buying some craft made in China and feel like the real thing. Them people have the real thing.
What go on?
You see it? Yeah, man, just come up here and find it, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know a thing going on. Dante in a real life, you know. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, you know a thing going. Yo, wanna check this out. Where else? We're nice, so we're good Jamaica. Jeez, alright, I'm gonna stop it talking. Let me just listen to the water. Chano. Island paradise.